For collect courier, we will start with a pre-approved delivery which is created at resident side in flat 101. Now we will go to Guard app and the same we will create a delivery for the same flat and the same company Domino's. The company is Domino's. As this was pre-approved, we got the collect and not collect in this screen itself. So when we click on collect, our collect courier flow will start. After collecting, I will just notify the resident. And at resident side, we will receive a notification that security has collected your parcel. In Guard app, the parcel which we collected is being seen in parcel management as it was pre-approved. This is the one which we created, Domino's with 2 parcels. Coming to resident side, we will be able to see the same in parcels tab, Domino's. These are the details. So we will collect only one item with OTP out of 2. In Guard app, I will click on handover, select one item. Continue. So I will select a resident and the parcel has been given to resident. So as we have just collected one parcel, here we are able to see the badges partially collected. When we click on handover again, this is how the collected view will look. Coming to resident side, here also we have the same view as partially collected for Domino's. So when I click on this is how the detail screen look. Now I will collect one without OTP. Now both the parcels are collected for Domino's, so it will be seen in history. This is the first card which we have collected just now for Domino's. This is the detail screen. Similarly, at resident side, we can see it as collected in parcels tab. This is the one which we collected, Domino's, with a collected badge. This is the detail screen. Now we will create a multi-flat delivery. In the company, we will select it as India Post. In this screen, we are able to see the two flats which we selected, 101 and 103. So I will ask for resident approval. So in the resident side, this is how the notification we will get. One is a push notification and one is a on-screen notification. So we will just click on collect courier at 101. So in this guard waiting screen, when we click on view approval, we collected for 101 and the countdown is running for 103. So for 101, we will click on collected and new flow starts. So the parcel has been collected for 101 and now we will collect it for 103. So for both the flats, the parcel has been collected and now we'll click on notify resident. For both the flats, we got the notification at resident side. And the parcels which we collected in the guard app, we will be able to see it in parcel management, 101 and 103 India Post. The same we will be able to see at resident side. In 101, we can see India Post with two parcels. And in 103, we should be able to see one more parcel with India Post. So we'll collect it for India Post for 103. The parcel has been given to resident. So in resident tab, we can just see in parcels tab that the courier from India Post has been collected. When we click on the card, we can see the details. Similarly, in guard, all the collected parcels will be seen in history. For example, India Post, which we just collected now. So in this list, if we click on any one item, we will be able to see the details like this.